wiggle your toes together. Drop it.
Oh!
Oh my God.
Oh my God. So wait for you to put that.
It was everything I thought it was gonna be. Oh wow, even down to the lower back.
Put those words in his mouth, they coming from him.
It's so crazy. It's so crazy. You see it for years on YouTube, and you're like, yeah, lower back. Okay, I wonder what that's like. And then you finally feel it. Wow.
When it's done properly with someone that's got the training, it's amazing. So you're good.
God, yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna do the rest of your cervical spine and then the rest of your spine.
Can't you